go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoe channel. I'm your host Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of Trussardi. Now Trussardi, I did two fragrance or unboxings from a Fragflex return haul, which this is part of as well, from their men's line, their lower line. This is from their upper echelon line, at least I think, which is the one that I really was interested in, the little, the dog ones, right? The little greyhound ones. Now this is called, it's from the line, which is called Le Vi di Milano. This is one called this Aperitivo Milanese Porta Nuova. I tried. Okay, so we're going to call it Porta Nuova from Trussardi. I can't wait to sniff this and see the quality. Trussardi, we had a really bad one in the men's line. It smelled like garbage, honestly. It was syrupy. It wasn't very good. And then we had one that was actually, wasn't very modern. I mean, it was an old school Uomo. It was a modern Uomo, but it was really smelt old school, honestly. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what this upper echelon line can do. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe, smash the like, much appreciated. Merci beaucoup. Let's take a look at the note breakdown and then let's open this up. And interesting notes. We've got Amaretto in the mid. So are we going to get some almond action? Heliotrope gives me almonds as well. So that could be it. Iris. So that mid is very interesting, actually. More interesting than the rest of the fragrance. A lot of citruses up top, and then we got some, well, we got a lot of vanillas in the back end. Vanilla, benzoin, and amber, all giving out vanillic tendencies. This was released in 2020. Nose Emilie Copperman, All-Star Perfumier. Pricing, $200 USD, retail, 400 mil, $109 USD on Fragflex. So actually not too bad. Now I'm wondering, like, is this an upper echelon line? Well, let's open it up and see what we get. I really like the look of these bottles. Yeah, because I see a lot of female fragrance reviewers on YouTube. All shout outs to all of you out there that are reviewing, and I don't know if these are more female inclined. I'm assuming not, but maybe this is why this was returned. The sticker on here is crooked and is lifting off, so that's not good. But there's cool, like, little leather around the greyhound head, and there's a T on the atomizer. Like, these are nice. Like, I saw some of the female fragrance reviewers that have like several of these in a row, and they're really, really nice looking bottles, honestly. So let's get into it. Let's delve into Porta Nuova. Oh, good atomizer. Controlled atomizer. Love it. We're going to put it right here for now. Then we'll put it on skin. Oh. Yeah. First thing that comes to mind, class. It's classy. Iris. The iris is central in here. It's got some citruses up top. Amaretto. Yes. So Iris and Amaretto is your 1-2 punch right now as primaries. A little powdery, very classy, vanillic, with all the vanillas in the back end. That makes all kinds of sense. Almonds. Get a bit of the citrus, so you get a little bit of that bergamot. Iris is beautiful. The almond in here is flawless. It smells beige like the bottle. I love the contrast in here. Blending's beautiful. Classy, well constructed. Beautiful scent. Yeah, this totally changes my mind on Trussardi. Like, you know, I had that one flop. I don't remember. Black Extreme. Synthetic up to garbage. I really didn't like that one. And then the other one was Uomo something, and it's a flanker to the original men's Uomo, which was an '83 release, but the flanker was like a 2020 release, which was a modernized old school fragrance, which was okay. Like, I liked it, but this is right up my alley. This smells very clean, simple, upscale. You know what this reminds me of? Prada. This smells like something out of the Prada Infusion series. Yeah, right in there. And that's a series that's very underrated on YouTube. Like nobody's talking about the Infusion series from Prada. Yeah, this is beautiful. The almond in here is beautiful. Like you could have fooled me. This could be a Guerlain product. The Heliotrope, the Amaretto, and the Iris. This whole mid, the Amaretto Iris Heliotrope mid, is really claiming this one. I'm getting a little bit of the syrupy browns from the benzoin, which is nice. You know, that sweetness, that crystallized sweetness. It's a winner. Unisex too, men or women. Don't be scared, men. This is great. If you like iris-based fragrances, if you like the Guerlain, tonka bean, almond, cherry vibe, amaretto. Like I just unboxed the Guerlain Ideal perfume, and that one had an amaretto note and clean, classy, well done. For the price that Fragflex is asking, 109, steal. Well worth the price. This is a game changer for me. Makes me want to sniff out the rest of this line with the little doggy head. Like I want to stick with the high-end line, honestly. I wouldn't mind sniffing that whole line right now. Just off the strength of this one. This is really good. Now, you gotta like that mid note, okay? Those mid notes. Amaretto, Iris, and Heliotrope. If you like those, and Heliotrope goes really powdery on my skin, it's not doing it here. It is powdery a little bit. Iris can give you some powderiness, but it's not as powdery. It's more of a beautiful, syrupy amaretto, almond. Citrus up top. Yeah, it reminds me of like, it's not as soapy as the soapy Pradas, but it's as classy as those Pradas. This one's good. This one's really good. Bottle worthy. 100% off the strength of this. I don't have to blink twice. Porta Nuova. Win. 109. Put it in my cart. Give me my 10% coupon code TFG10. Boom. $100. Less than $100. Win. Win, win, win. Now I've heard my take. I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Anybody that smelled this, good, bad, and the ugly, right? You don't have to co-sign me, but I'm sure there's people out there that will co-sign me. This is absolutely beautiful. I've been kind of missing out with this brand. Like I've seen this brand. I've seen it. A lot of the female YouTubers, kudos to you. You've been actually spotlighting this brand a lot. The male YouTubers, not so much. The ones that do, good on them. Yeah. Yeah, really, really great fragrance. As always, a Greater Pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.